MK Teens and Learners Command iqoqa izingane zabo bonke labantu. Lana nje kukhona kwi-MK Teens currently there are a lot of teenagers abazali babo they work in the parliament bakwi-ANC. But like they are being decolonized in the MK Teens. So that's how we are basically uniting. We are now uniting the future generation. We are uniting the future because honestly speaking, no mongazama.
Okay, so do you teach them ukuthi MK is the way, or do you indoctrinate them ekutheni ukuthi ba believe in the system that you believe in, or is it a matter of ukuthi let's educate, let's help them find their own way, let's help them choose their leader? Because there's a difference. There is a huge difference there.
Okay, so like basically in the MK Teens, it's like a matter of decolonizing. I feel like once also decolonize, you can of course choose. Oqala nje into ozobe sikwenza usukhetha kumcontest ukuthi iwona okudecolonizile, iwona okulekelelile le. So as much as MK Teens, I wouldn't say siyakhankasa. As much as amanye ama-movements under the Mkhonto Party, but now ingane igcine kube sekuyiyona basically ama-changes gcina sekuyiyona aseyikhethelayo ukuthi because they decolonize me, of course should ibona ba-right. So it's a matter of that, not, I wouldn't say it's indoctrination, ngoba masingakhuluma indoctrination songena nakwi-Christianity ukuthi nayo phela ikulanda Sunday school ikulanda Sunday school uzolokhu uyi-Christian uzufe ulandwe Sunday school usana 5. So it's a matter of that. We decolonize the teenagers. So like basically our parents are wrong. No, I for the future.